All right, great to see the weather today. I'll tell you what, the sunshine, I know it wasn't that warm, but it felt warmer.
Yes, that breeze was out of the south, so it ushered in that warmer air.
Yeah.
It allowed a lot of the snow to melt, which we're going to see all that snow going away by tomorrow morning.
Fine by me.
Fine by me. Yeah, so we will see the rain really pushing in as we go into the overnight. We have a warm front, so that warm front has been lifting through, allowing that warm wind to bring those temperatures into the low 50s this afternoon. Here's a look at live Doppler 13 radar, putting it in motion. You can see all of this is gradually lifting to the northeast. Now, most of this is not even making its way to the surface. We'll look here over Putnam County into Morgan County, making its way into Johnson County, not even making its way yet to the surface as we take a live look here at I-69 State Road 39 near Martinsville area. Streets still dry, but it's going to take a while before we actually saturate that column of air, so we do start to see that rain making its way all the way to the surface. Right now, still 50 degrees in Indianapolis. Much cooler, though, on the north side of that warm front. 35 right now in Kokomo, 38 in Lafayette, 53 still in Bedford. And here's a look at those 24-hour temperature changes, running around 10 degrees warmer right now than yesterday at this time. The winds out of the south have been a little breezy this afternoon, running around 15 to over 20 miles per hour. So what's ahead? Well, we do expect to see widespread rain moving in, especially during the overnight hours. That will melt any of the snow that's still left over. We'll also see falling temperatures really throughout the day tomorrow. And then because of that cooler air around and just enough lift and moisture in the atmosphere, we may see some patchy freezing drizzle, possibly a few early morning snow showers on Monday. So let's take a look here at Future Track. As we go into the evening hours, we'll start to see that column of air saturating. We'll have rain making its way to the surface, especially around 11 o'clock this evening, and this will become widespread during the overnight. Could see a couple pockets of heavy rain, and then potentially we could see a little bit of a wintry mix tomorrow morning into early afternoon. As far as rain potential goes, we're looking at perhaps a couple tenths of an inch, maybe up to a quarter of an inch, so not heavy rain. However, we still have that likelihood of that freezing back over as temperatures go the other way on Sunday afternoon. So we'll have the rain during the morning hours. Temperatures will still be in the 40s, but we're going to drop into the low 30s by early evening tomorrow. And then as we have still some leftover precipitation, that could be in the form of some freezing rain. If we have any liquid left over and we get the air temperature down at that freezing mark or lower, we'll allow that liquid to refreeze on any surfaces that are at or below the freezing mark, which is what we are going to be looking at on Sunday late afternoon into the evening. So keep that in mind. I do expect it to be patchy, not widespread, but still could be pretty slick if you're heading anywhere Sunday night and again on Monday morning. Now Monday, near steady temperatures. The winds will be out of the north, so we'll keep those temperatures in the upper 20s. But as we go into Tuesday, ooh, big change. We're going to see temperatures dropping to 15 degrees Tuesday morning, high of only 24. The good news is we get back to seasonable temperatures by the middle of the work week. Jenny?
Kelly, thanks.